Over dx for the following. Okay, let's start muna yung mga basic examples. Actually, hindi naman ito mahirap. So we have 2x plus 1. Okay. Derivative ng y is equal to 2x plus 1 to the third. Sige, so para lang sa mga una pa lang ma-encounter ito, so gamitan natin ng substitution. So this time, pwede natin i-apply itong chain rule. Okay? So kung ang ilalet natin na yun dito is yung denominator at is itong base na to, yung 2x plus 1, okay? Therefore, yung n natin this time is yung exponent niya na 3. Okay? And then applying chain rule, so dy over dx is, so parang power rule lang din, ibababa niyo yung 3, that will be the n sa formula. 3 times, copy the u natin is 2x plus 1, then raise to n minus 1. Wow, thank you for the confetti. Si Lodi, si Sir Isaiah James Maling. Yan. Follow nyo yan si Sir IJ sa kanyang TikTok tsaka sa YT, kaka 100k subscribers lang yan. Congratulations natin si Sir IJ Lodi. Okay? Follow him sa kanyang mga social media, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa YouTube. Okay. Marami kayong matututunan kay Idol. Sige, going back. So, meron tayong 3 times 2x plus 1. Tapos, n raised to n minus 1, di ba? So, bale 3 minus 1. Then, times the derivative ng u. Ano yung u natin? 2x plus 1. Yan. In a step by step muna natin kasi first example pa lang to. Para magets nyo yung paano gamitin itong formula for chain rule. So, bale, magiging 3 times 2x plus 1 raised to, so 3 minus 1, that's 2. Then, times sa derivative ng 2x plus 1. So, dahil may dalawang terms tayo, pwede natin i-apply ito. Yung pag-differentiate ng bawat term. So, sa derivative ng 2x, so pwedeng i-apply itong property na to. May constant na 2. Kopya lang, right? Tapos yung x, derivative niyan, by this property is 1. Okay? Plus, nakalimutan ko pala, derivative ng any constant c is 0. Okay? So, dahil yung 1 is constant, its derivative is 0. So, pag sinimplify pa natin, magiging 3 times 2x plus 1 squared, 2 times 1 plus 0, 2. So, bale, 3 times 2, that's 6. Then, 2x plus 1 squared. So, this is the final answer. Yan. Try muna natin step by step para nagigets nung iba na ngayon pa lang matututo dito sa topic.